Hello and welcome to the email campaigns, and let's start our first one. So we start with a name, so just add anything to start and then select the type. We have two options, regular and A/B test. The A/B test allow you to split test your subject or content of your email based on the open or click rate in that email. So the winner will be selected, and then the remaining of the emails will be sent to that winner. So it's very straightforward. But for the example, let's start with a regular campaign to show you how easy it is. So here you have all these templates that we have created for you. They're basically for any type of use case, like newsletter, e-commerce, appointments, promos, webinars, announcements, anything. So you can just pick them and start modifying. So just click on any design that you like and let's start modifying it. So this is the builder. So on the side you'll see different blocks that you can drag and drop into the design, so you can create as different design as you want. So I just add it here, for example, as a headline. You can use the heading and the handles to create paddings, just like in the page builder. So feel free to start adjusting your paddings however you want. So here we can just make it like this. And the text you can start editing directly here into the design. And we have created this new option for a tag. This is very important because you can add now personalization tags in the emails. So let's say the first name of the user, you can add it here, and that will be populated with the user's first name. And you can start editing all the text freely with the mouse inside the design. Now when it comes to the design of the whole block, you just click on it, and on the side you will see the styling about it. So let's say that you want to change the button color to a blue color. You can just change the color, and that's it. The link itself, again, you can change from here. You can adjust different things as well for the whole block. So this way you can change all the blocks however you want, or add new ones as well. You can of course adjust the position of the blocks and clone it as well. And if you click outside, then you have the ability to go into the styling of the whole email itself. And there you can change, for example, the background color to something different. Let's say something like this. And you can also adjust the width of it, so something wide or something narrow. It's up to you what kind of design you create. And if you want to preview real time in different devices, you can go into the more and preview the design. Here we have our email on a desktop, then you have on tablet and on mobile. So on mobile everything scales down, so you don't have to worry about it. Everything is created for you and scales down perfectly on email clients for mobile devices. And that's it. You have other options such as save as a template, scrap the design that you have created and pick a new design, or send a test email. And let's continue to the next step, which is the recipients. Basically, these are people which can receive an email, and you can select a list or segment. So by selecting a list, you can also exclude a list, and because you can, create different options and exclude different segments as well. And when you're happy with the list and segments, you can just click on next. I'll show you soon how exactly you can create your list, segments, and fill more people inside of those. So let's go into the summary, where is the actual information about the campaign, such as subject that you have, the from option, recipients, and the actual content that you see here, the preview of the email. So here again you can add some properties as well for the user, and let's click next, where we can now send the email or schedule it for later specific day or time when you want this email to be sent. So let's just send it right now to the user that we selected, and that's it. We just scheduled to send the email right away. And let's go back to all the campaigns. So now we have this campaign that is sent right now to one person, the list that we had. And here you can see the open rate and the click rate that we will start updating, depending of course how many people have opened and clicked that campaign itself. Now when you click on the side of it, you can see information about the campaign, such as how many emails have been sent, currently 0 because it's still being in process of sending. Then you have the open rates with the amount and percentage, the click of the email, the flow with some charts about open and click rates, the email links, so what links have been clicked and how many times they have been clicked. So this is very useful to see what exactly people are doing with your email. And at the bottom you have the unsubscribe, bounce, and spam. So make sure you keep those low, especially the bounce and spam, because this might flag you as not a very healthy sender, and stop sending emails. So make sure you keep those very, very low. So these are the analytics about the campaign. You have the details as well. So here we have the user that we already sent the email. So you can see the user, if they opened or click the email, you can see a preview of the design very easily. You can see what exactly you've sent, because you might forget, and this is a reminder what exactly you've sent to the audience. And you have the unsubscribe, so all the people who've actually clicked the unsubscribe link inside your campaign. So this is it. This is the campaigns and how easy it is to create your own. You can of course clone the campaign from the settings and create the same or very similar copy to this one. So these are campaigns, and now let's look into lists.